Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Tango Live. So as you can see, I got the Tango Live mod. So when I open it up, as you can see, I have unlimited coins. I got over 23,000. The most you can get is 500. And we go in the mod, we can turn on free coins. We got anti-ban, all this stuff, can turn off ads. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com and just type Tango Live. And once it comes up, guys, go ahead and press install, and it's going to start downloading the mod. So if you're using like a good internet, it shouldn't take that long. But let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and download. So yeah, I've tried many mods for Tango Live, and this is the best one because you get unlimited coins and no ban. There's anti-ban tech built in and auto update. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, alright, so it's almost done. So now it's going to bring us to the final step where we have to download some missing files, which are like apps. This is normal, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it says please download the missing files. There's going to be 2 of them you need. 2 of these apps, doesn't matter which one, just pick 2 of them. I'll do Travel Town because you just got to be on level 10. So just press continue, it brings you to the store, download it, and reach level 10. So I'm going to see you later, but that's how to do it. These games are super easy to do, guys. So if you do come across the game, if that's the only thing available to you, don't get mad, it's easy to do. So I'll see you later, but that's how to get free Tango Live mod, and you get unlimited coins, guys. It's super cool. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, TweakMod is the way to go. They got the epic Tango Live mod, so just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you should be all set. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe and tell your friends about it. This is super insane, bro, and it fully works. So I'm gonna see you in another video, and peace out, bro.